Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Amie Carter. If you have problem windows or doors, you've likely felt their impact in your home this winter. Well, joining me today is Lucy O'Shields from Renewal by Andersen to talk about some common issues seen this time of year and what you can do to make your home more comfortable. Welcome to the show, Lucy.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Yes, so I love the topic. What are some of the problems that people with bad windows or doors are seeing this time of year?
Yeah, well, some of the complaints that we hear from people really deal around not being able to keep their home comfortable, and that's because they have drafty windows. Other things that we see are things like leaky windows or condensation in between the glass. You know, those are really clear indicators that you probably need to replace your windows and doors. It's some of those things are going to leave your home not only in discomfort, but driving those energy bills much higher on a monthly basis.
Yes, definitely so. And how do your windows address these issues?
Well, that's a good question. You know, I know we've talked about vinyl in the past, how it can contract and crack in those extreme cold temperatures. So our Acclaim windows actually are built by with our WRIC material. It's a composite material, and it's 200% stronger than a vinyl material. It's engineered to be strong and durable, reducing those drafts, leaving our weather-tight seals to stay weather-tight, so your home is much more comfortable.
Definitely so. And with the winter we've been seeing, you definitely want to stay warm and comfortable.
Exactly.
And some good news. This month, you're offering your employee pricing on windows and doors. So give us the details on that deal.
It's really exciting. So this month through February, you pay what we pay. So $300 off every window, $600 off every door, plus we're giving away an extra 10% off your entire project with our employee pricing, and you can get it all with no money down, no payments, and no interest for an entire year.
That is amazing. Definitely a good incentive for folks to take advantage of.
Yes.
And talk a little bit about window glass. What impact does that have on your home's comfort?
It's actually a really important decision, right? So your window portion of your entire frame is a large component. So it's going to make a huge difference. Our high performance low E4 smart sunglass, that's a big term, but it's 47% more energy efficient in the winter than your standard dual pane glass. Now between our WRIC frames and our smart sunglass, it's leaving your home draft free and much more comfortable.
Wow.
So that's so important.
Yes, definitely good to know. And then you all have some exciting news. Renewal by Andersen recently launched its brand new entry door.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about the ensemble door.
Right. So this is super exciting for us in our Central Virginia and Roanoke markets. We're finally being able to bring this wonderful entry door system to you. Our ensemble entry door is engineered with energy efficiency on the mind. You can even have optional transoms and side lights. Now our dual composite door panel is made of WRIC and fiberglass. So not only is it strong and durable, but it won't rot, rust, or even dent. Really cool. It also has a patented contain and drain door sill. So what that means is that it's pushing that water outside and away from your home. And on a security standpoint, which is really huge with a lot of our customers, we have a multi-point mortise locking system. And it's only one of the features that helped this door earn one of the highest security grades attainable.
Wow, that is
Great.
Amazing. And the pictures we're showing, I mean, the door is beautiful. It's functional and beautiful and so many benefits.
Right.
Thank you so much, Lucy, for chatting with me. And once again, call by February 28th and you'll receive 10% off your entire project with Renewal by Andersen's employee discount. Plus, you'll save an additional $300 on every window and $600 on every door. You'll pay nothing for an entire year. Give them a call today, 804-496-2600, and then book your free in-home window and door appointment.